Just open it up so they can visually look at it.
Just spreading it out. Like if we had 8, we could do 2 on each side. Yeah.
What's going on, YouTube gang? It's top of the morning to you folks, man. Today we're gonna be speaking on the situation on New York, bro. Cause I don't know what the fuck going on in New York, bro. But it looked like they going into some type of martial law or something, bro. They got motherfucking agents, motherfucking military people at the subways, bro. Thousands guarding the motherfucking subways, bro. For what? For what? What the fuck is y'all doing? Why do y'all have military soldiers with guns out guarding the fucking subway? Is it because of all the bullshit that be going on in the subway? What the fuck do y'all got going on that y'all not telling us, bro? Because y'all know how this shit go, bro. They don't tell us everything, bro. They don't even tell us half of the story, bro. They tell us 10% of the story, bro. So at the end of the day, bro, what the fuck is New York doing, bro? What do y'all got going on that y'all gotta have military people out at the motherfucking subway protecting the subways and shit, bro? That shit is ridiculous, bro. This shit make me not even want to go to New York. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But it's your boy FRB Mar, man. I'm just giving y'all my thoughts on this situation, bro. Y'all protect y'all families, bro. Y'all make sure y'all families is straight, bro, because ain't no telling what the fuck is going on, bro. They not telling us all. They not telling us the stories. They not doing nothing, bro. They just doing shit. It hit different. But it's your boy FRB Mar, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, G. And I'm out.
Just open it up so they can visually look at it.
Can you get